Let's before we do anything, let's
We're,
scout and see what they have.
See where they're going.
They have
They're
Marissa.
holding left hand side. So
They're holding left.
Is that a Torbjorn?
we don't have a Lucio, so let's go right. Let's go right hand side and just take the far fight. Try to hit
Yep, yep.
Oh, Lucio won. Oh.
Shields up. Dropping shield.
Pull above, pull above.
Fuck. Immo fucked up.
Wall that Orisa.
I don't
Orisa
know.
dies.
Pop
Orisa
dead, pop
dies.
dead,
Hog,
pop
hog,
dead.
hog, hog, hog.
There you go.
I don't have ammo. I'm reloading.
We're even, by the way. We're even.
Yeah, yeah.
We're up one. We're up one.
McCree, focus McCree. I hope he kills some Hog.
I got a pick.
Well,
Handle that, handle that, handle that, handle that. Lucio dead.
It's winnable.
Wow,
Maybe.
nice.
Maybe it's not winnable.
Whew.
No,
It's
won't.
one.
It's not winnable.
Back off, back off, back off.
Yeah, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Bap and McCree will have late spawn. I can pull. Ready? 3.
Wait.
We need Zen. Zen, push cart.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 seconds.
Point.
1.
Zen, go push cart. Kree, stay up here.
Pulling a buff. Orisa dies. I am stuck in this one.
Waste it all.
There's ammo. There's ammo. There's ammo.
Okay, I have hook back.
1 second.
1 second on wall.
3.
Walls
2,
up, walls up.
1. Nobody.
Yeah. Okay. Try and get a high
Hanzo
noon.
dies. Drop wall.
Awesome.
Focus Hog.
Hot dogs. Okay.
I'm with you, awesome.
Oh, wait. He's one.
Walls up,
Pull him
walls
back.
up.
I'm breaking range shield. I pull
Alright,
around this
window
corner.
again.
I think they're taking
That's
high ground.
They might be
They
giving
don't-
it to us. They're
I'm
waiting
looking
for
a whole hog
spawns.
here. I'm looking for a whole hog
They're
here.
waiting for spawns. We almost, yeah.
Yeah, they're
Come
not.
up,
They're not high
come
ground.
with me, come with me.
Oh, I lied to you all. They're all high ground.
Yeah, they're high ground.
I'm pulling him up.
I'm down.
Pulling him up high ground.
You have no.
Hog
You
behind,
have
hog
Zen
behind,
heals
freezing
only.
hog,
Zen
freezing
heals
hog, freezing
only.
hog behind,
Push
freezing
the
hog
hog,
behind.
keep this.
Hog frozen behind, hog frozen behind.
We got this, we got this.
We got the cap. We got cap.
I don't know.
No more ults. No more ults.
No, it's no. It's...
Ryan dies here. Rick,
Nice.
just go first.
I'm dead.
That next.
Bap one, bap one.
Dies.
McCree
I'm
next.
pulling.
No one.
Okay, push
Oh,
back,
they have a
push back.
DC.
Pause.
Oh wait, never mind. I lied to you. So,
Pause
nope,
on
nope. We're
the
good. We're good. We're good. We're good. It's a spec. Let's
I'm gonna leave a bongo.
yeah.
We
And then
have
if you
Blizzard.
can see a good blizzard,
Dropping it. Pulling together.
aggressive ammo. You guys can poke.
2 seconds of shield. 1 second of shield. I'm pinned. I need heals.
Focus on,
I need
focus on,
heals.
focus on.
Just reset. Just reset. Just reset.
Dead.
They use beat shatter.
Yep. Just reset.
Did they just push that Ash?
Yeah, Ash is new.
Yeah, Ashes now.
So they're down McCree ult. So they should have window only.
Yeah. If he windows, I can counter window. But I would like to window when they commit.
Let's go to the left here, because if they push in, I have full hog.
Yeah.
They have no shatter.
They don't have
Far
shatter,
left,
yeah.
far left. Ash by itself.
They probably have bomb.
Watch for the
I'm
charge.
pulling on the cart.
No,
pulling
no,
cart,
Ash
pulling
is
cart,
new.
pulling cart. 2 seconds. Shield. Back up. No ults.
Play
No
our
ults.
cover,
No
play our
ults.
cover,
No
play our
ults.
cover.
No
Fucking
ults.
eat
No
that
ults. We're
bird.
down 1.
Reloading.
Ryan no shield. Ryan
Oh,
1.
wait.
We're down
You guys
two.
are down two. You're down two.
Yeah,
I'm
we just
calling you back. I'm
I'm
coming
getting out.
back.
better back
Yeah,
up.
back up.
Alright, I'm here. We're still on one though.
We're still
We're
down
still
1.
down one.
Oh, go. Oh my god.
I'm looking to pull this board. D-Bot mech. Watch the.
They have no tank.
Bap one.
Pulling. Ash far left. Ash far left.
I'll kill it. I'll kill it.
Ash is 1. She's weak.
Freezing bap.
What?
Do you have hook?
2 seconds.
Pulling right here.
I'm gonna blizzard them as they come out of spawn.
Yep. I like that idea.
I'm gonna hook
D.Va,
up my
D.Va,
charges.
cart,
now?
cart.
Watch the matrix. The matrix.
Focus on, focus
Ammo
on.
on cart.
3 of them are stuck in
Matrix
spawns.
Discorded.
No matrix.
Say 3 of them are stuck in spawn.
We're down too many. Actually, it's still winnable.
No, it is winnable. This
Yeah,
is
it's winnable. Yeah, it's
You guys are
winnable. It's
good.
winnable.
You guys are good.
Yeah, we win.
Nice.
Yeah, see? We're good.
Good shit. Happy. That aim at the end. But yeah, you guys played that awesome.
I couldn't fucking kill that lamp.
There's not a bunch of yelling going on.
Wait. Repeat that one more time.
I couldn't kill the lamp.
Wait, hey, nobody say anything. Nobody say anything. Happy, one more time for the group, please.
I couldn't hit the fucking lamp that's standing still.
Okay, we all heard that, right?
Have you guys seen his DPS ranking? Just.
Yes, it's borderline bronze for a reason.
It is, bro.
Alright. Hoggerisa, you know what? Fuck it, same thing, honestly.
Yeah, it was working. You're getting the holes with the walls. It was working well.
Their diva at the end just decided to go 900 ping and spin their mouse around.
I don't think I'm noticing. Am I pulling a little bit too early? Without calling it nightmare?
When you pull, just say 3, 2, 1.
Okay. No, I was just asking if I was during that.
Yeah, unless I'm
was
like
pulling
saying
about it.
like, hey, pull above barrier. Like if I'm saying it, then
Let's hold right side
Obviously,
by
I'm
this
already-
lamppost.
No,
But
because
there's a couple
I know
times
we
when
missed a couple. That's why I was asking.
most of the ones we missed is because I was looking at somebody else.
Okay.
Like there's the one on the card, I wasn't looking at them. I was looking at the round shield.
Yeah, you gotta give him like a
Then
couple
stay over there.
seconds to know.
No, I didn't even try. He called that one out, but I wasn't even looking for it.
Zen,
Just the
stay
round
over
shield's
there.
more important to me.
Diva. Tracer far left. Tracer's going around the high ground.
That's our tree. That's our tree there.
It looks like Rupert's going high ground as well.
He's up there. They're on Ryan Diva. They just switched off ball to Ryan.
Somebody's on a tracer.
Oh wait, what the fuck? Trace on high ground.
I just called that.
I'll go Macri.
I'm pulling to the left of here.
Yep.
Ryan 1.
Reaper on your back, Reaper on your back.
2 seconds of shield. 2 seconds of shield.
Tracer on me, tracer on me,
1
tracer on
second.
me, tracer on me.
Ryan dies here.
Round one.
I took out their DPS, one of their DPS, but Diva got me.
Got the Lucio, Electric.
You have no support.
Anna.
Diva,
Play it smart. Play it smart.
Play smart, you have no heals.
I need help.
Lucio dead.
I have
Hello?
1 second for a wall, so I can't help you.
Nice.
This whoever's on the other side of this wall is one health. Hog, I can't help. I can't be there with you. I'm really low. 1 second to shield.
Here, fall back a little bit. Run dice.
Tracer on me.
Run dice.
Reaper's walled. It's kind of blocking
I'm
our healers.
one.
There's a wall. Demon no mech?
that was.
Can I get heal?
Trying. They're being body blocked.
Still available.
Focus down on point.
Yeah.
I'm coming back with
On a
Blizzard.
one, on a one.
5%.
Nice.
Lucio next.
I need help.
I'm
I'm down.
Yeah,
Tracer got me.
both of them.
You guys have no support. Get Tracer.
I'll
Threw a
kill
shield up.
Tracer.
I don't know if it's
I
on
like the
point.
creep pick. That's fine.
Hog one. Alright, Reaper.
Even. You
Oh,
have no
I don't
heals.
have a wall.
Just May.
There's a-
May.
I got Tracer.
Help
Alright.
the Zen.
Can't get back out.
I'm back. Yeah, it was bad.
Yep, back.
Got so
Can we
many
recontest?
things
No.
Yeah,
he
we
was
can.
walled if we can.
No, we're.
No. We were too far and we don't have a
to do.
Lucio.
I'm far. I'm scared
Hold on.
Tracer's gonna try
Oh,
to.
we don't have a. Our Zen's gonna be a bit.
Yeah, I'm
Alright.
scared of Tracer.
Well, back,
Let's back up.
the
Let's back
second
up.
corner. Back up the second
Yeah,
corner.
back up to the second corner.
I gotcha.
No useless then.
Hey, can someone
Alright.
check high ground?
Yeah, I got it.
I hear someone up top.
Yeah, McCree, can you play high ground, bro? And then
Yeah, I will.
if you need help, fall down to us.
It's a Reddit Lucio with Tracer backline.
Diva's up top. Diva's up top.
Rhino shield. I'm pulling above cart.
Huge. Oh,
I'm body blocking for you.
there you go. Got this. They can't.
Pulling together.
All right,
Mine does.
McCree, I can't see you.
Reaper teleport high ground.
Oh,
2 seconds shield. Reaper on me.
Reaper, no shift.
Oh, of course.
Focus Reaper.
We're down, everyone. Back up. Die or back up.
He was like, everyone's dead. Just so everyone knows, we're all.
No, because Vap was out there challenging and
Oh,
we just walked out there.
that Tracer.
What?
No, it's because of the door.
No, I hooked him, and as I hooked him, he's wraith formed.
Ooh, thank you. That wall saved my life. Oh my
Reaper's
God.
flanking you guys. Reaper's flanking through Mega.
All right, we gotta group up.
I have Blizzard.
Reaper no Wraith.
Hog.
They commit to this. I have Blizzard. I'm gonna Blizzard as they come around the corner.
I have hook.
Yep, good idea.
Can someone watch from flank?
Yeah, I got eyes.
Yeah, I got it.
1 second shield.
Blizzarding point.
I'm stuck.
Ah, fuck. Sorry.
Reaper's looking
Even though it wasn't fast
Got
enough.
it. Point
Tracer
Reaper.
backline. Creed, you got her. You're anti. I don't have memo for you.
What?
Reaper's got that puzzle.
Got it. Nice.
Nice.
Like a heal. Oh my god. That Tracer.
Yeah, the Tracer's doing work. We need to learn to play against her. I just didn't hit a single shot.
I think Creed just
You
needs
got
to stay with the back line. Creed just
Yeah.
needs to stay with the back line.
Green needs
And
to pocket.
Kage, call out when you're being attacked.
Like, I know that sounds
I
weird.
do, but
Sit
I
here.
kinda- she
Just
does
say
want
help
to-
your Zen or whatever, because I don't know your voice.
3 seconds
Hey,
for next shield.
He disappears. Like, Kage's got one clipped like 5 times this game that I
Yeah. I just
Ryan
Don't
Waste
know
to shatter.
better.
that needs help. That needs help.
Tracer,
Pull them
back
together.
line, back line.
Tracer, no recall.
Can I heal?
Yeah, I got you.
Pulling above cart. Diva.
May need heals.
Ryan,
May need heals. Your May needs heals. Thank you.
I'm trying. Diva's
Focus
eating them.
Reaper, Focus Reaper.
Reaper's coming up on
Pulling
another
above
Reloading.
Death Blossom. Reaper holding this corner. Reaper pushing up.
Reaper dies.
I would stagger the Diva real quick. Might as well. There you go.
Reloading.
Oh my god, Tracer.
Don't worry about it too much.
Where'd that Reaper go? Can we get him?
He wraithed out.
Alright, I need a fucking window. I've been holding onto this for so goddamn long. Once they commit to the push, I'll window. Watch out, Kree. Reaper teleporting backline.
Yeah, they're pushing our
I
hog.
got it.
Are they going around?
A few of them. No, not all of them. Just
The shield is in a bad place then.
I fucking hooked it.
Reaper's got Blossom.
What is he doing?
Oh shit.
Watch out! Wait, I'm gonna sit through.
Focus Ryan. Ryan's not in there.
Going where?
Ryan. Fuck.
Oh,
Tracer.
winnable?
Anna is.
Lucio.
I'm getting the
Zen
Santa
go
by the way.
like
Anna
break
pulled
or
back.
fucking something. I don't really care. Zen's way too weak.
Anna just jumped off. Soldiers in.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't be running as an into Tracer.
Soldier 1.
That's probably.
Yeah,
Going hog
okay, go switch.
I'm
Go
leading
switch
Bongo.
now.
Leading
So
Bongo.
what?
Did Lucio? I don't care.
Brig? You want Brig?
No, Briggs shit. She's not shit, but
Brig's not bad.
for us right now, she's
I
shit.
think that's not
Go-
gonna get
Last
shit.
Last fight.
I fucking said that.
Or Bapper, main healer. I don't really care.
Excuse me.
I'm dead. Switch to stall.
Ryan can die.
I am like really low on health. He just really wanted to melee me.
Healing orb on point. I'm dead.